This is probably one of the most affordable Class B RVs we've seen. This is the 2024 Solis Pocket 36B. We're going to give you a look at the outside, we're going to take a look at the inside, and we'll give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, and a build quality rating. So let's go! This is on a Dodge Ram chassis with the Dodge Ram Pentastar 3.6 liter engine. And that puts out 280 horsepower. Let's take a look around the side. This is riding on 16-inch tires, has these large rear view mirrors, has this long side step. You have a couple windows on the side, both of which open. As you come around the back, you have your rear view camera, this large double door, and the trailer hitch with power next to it.
Large windows too.
Very large rear windows. Now let's take a look at the inside. This van was made to be built for more stealth camping. It's meant to not scream camper van. We're going to check the cargo carrying capacity, and it should not exceed 1,828 pounds. Let's take a look at the inside. Now as we go in, we have this convenient exterior table. This is adjustable up and down depending on if you're on an incline or not. As we go in, we have this refrigerator that's accessible from the inside and the outside. And we have power outlets here. We have USB power, 12-volt power, 110 power, and here are the switches for your interior lights. Now behind me, you'll notice the most interesting feature about this particular van, the Solis Pocket. This dinette converts several different ways. Come on inside and get a better look at it. This side converts to a lounge chair. All we have to do is pull this out, take your cushion, turn it to the side, and here you have a lounge chair. Now when you have the lounge chair extended, you can open up your table and you have additional seating. The other side also extends so you can seat four around the table comfortably. The table also drops down to make either a single bed or a double bed. Alright, let's put this all back together. Alright, there we go. Behind me, we have a storage area that goes all the way across the vehicle, and it's pretty deep. We also have storage along the side above the dinette. We have 3 of these shelves. I have this netting for when the doors open. This comes down, it zips up the center, and it has a magnetic strip right here so you can go in and out, and you won't have to open or unzip it every time you go out. Next to me is the kitchen. 2-burner Suburban stove, and we have this convenient sink right next to it. And look at the counter space. Over the kitchen, we have these 2 extra storage areas. Below, 3 drawers. Each one a little bit larger than the last, and this one's much larger. Now over here, USB and 12-volt power, 110 power, a button to check your tank levels, and that's this light here, freshwater fill on the inside. And this controls hot water. Behind me is the rear bath. Hello again.
Can we get this one open?
Yes,
Yep.
It has a handle. This bath also has a screen back here that you can zip up. It has a shower head. It's a wet bath. You have your medicine cabinet right here, a small shelf, and sink with a little counter space. These cubbies here, 4 cubbies, and another storage shelf. This shelf comes out and is adjustable. It's your wardrobe as well. And you have this shelf with netting all the way around. And also a small little storage area right there. This is your cassette toilet. And for a van, this is not bad. This cassette toilet also comes out. giving you more room in your showers. Over on the right, you have your shower controls, your water pump, and your drain pump. Fresh water tank, control valve, and another freshwater inlet, and a small pot. They wanted to give this vehicle more ground clearance, and instead of having a propane tank underneath, they wanted to move it up here, so it gives you a better clearance underneath. Take a look around this way. Here you have access to your propane from the outside. You have your 30 amp power and your Trumo water heater vent. Let's hop inside and take a look at the driver's area. Here in the front, you have hands-free controls across your steering, touch screen in the middle for your Android and your Apple CarPlay, your typical van controls, but you also have a 12-volt power here, USB and USB-C, and these handy cup holders down at the bottom.
Now it's time for John's pet peeve, my favorite feature, and our build quality rating. Okay, John, what's your pet peeve?
Well, as versatile as that couch is, it's not the easiest thing to manipulate. I don't like that too much.
And I'm going to add to your pet peeve. I don't like the fact that that sofa cushion is actually right near the floor. I can just see that getting so dirty and messed up as you, especially like if you're doing, you know, off the grid camping.
Right.
I just see it getting messed up.
So what's your favorite feature?
My favorite feature is the fact that you can take the toilet out of the shower. Now, that's just me because I'm a total germaphobe, and I love the fact that I can just toss out that toilet and take my shower. What do you think about the build quality?
I think it's pretty good. There were some small things here and there, like some trim that was a little uneven. And in the bathroom, there was a gap in the cabinets, which I don't think you want water getting in there.
Right, but I think everything else was,
pretty
well
good.
built and very solid.
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay.
It's very solid. Those are just, those are small things.
So, John, what would you give this?
I would give it an 8.5, perhaps.
An 8.5 or a 9, I think.
Yeah, or a 9, yeah.
Okay, folks, that's it for this one. We're on to the next one. And if you want to see more RV tours, check out this video right there.
Always on my face.